Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to more NFT education, where we talk about some NFT projects that we think that we can learn from, or that we might even think we need to invest in. All right. So today, I think I found the NFT that once I started to learn about how they even work, I think I found the one that's closest to the one that I thought, what if, right? Like, if you don't know nothing about me, I love Grand Theft Auto, playing online and stuff like that. And I always used to think while playing, like, bro, what if we could earn money by doing this, right? So that introduces me to the Age of Gangs NFT, all right? Now, gentlemen also know how to fight. Here's a whitelist link, but let's talk about the project first, right? So the year 2050 in London, the world is steeped in London is run by competing gangs, ushering in a new era of fear and lawlessness. Hungry to rise to the ranks and seize control of London, you join a gang with the intention of climbing the ladder to the top. But along the way are challenges to overcome, defeating rival gangs. The new age is coming, the age of gangs, all right? Now, let's talk about the characters. Let's look at the characters a little bit, right? They got gangster number 5, number 6. These all look like, regular gangsters. Okay, so this artwork right now, I'm impressed with this artwork. So far, so good. So talk about these characters. All right, so now let's talk about the rarity, right? Because looking at those characters, I'm thinking like, bro, well, what attributes do they have? I mean, this is a play to earn game, so this is within basically within the game. What attributes do they hold? All right, so the rarity is going to be medium. You got the character, gangster ID, body type, hit points, stats, all that type of stuff. Okay, so depending on which one you have, they will have different attributes. And as far as the rarity, it looks like they sort of have a system that they're going to do it off of. All right, so let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap is basically the bare bones of any NFT project for all my beginners out there who are still learning about NFTs, learning about NFT projects, and wondering what projects you need to be in. The roadmap is where it's at. It doesn't matter if the artwork is perfect, the artwork is good, the roadmap has to add up, all right? So play to earn, I'm telling you right now though, play to earn for me, that's just the most dope concept, the most amazing concept when it comes to NFTs, bro, is just me being able to play a game within the metaverse or whatever and earn money for it. So play to earn game release first, and then 2, transfer gang club into game. Then the third step will be new game modes announced. So they're going to add game modes and everything like that. And then 4, new merch drop and in-game airdrops. All right. Now, and then 5, 10% of resales income to charity. All right. So looks like they're going to give this away. I mean, honestly, I take my hat off to them for sort of realizing that they might need to do that. Let's talk about the game. All right. Let's learn more about the game. So know your enemy. Make strategic decisions in play to earn action game to determine the outcome. Feel like a real gangster in the streets of London. All right. Now, that's hilarious to me. But take command of a squad of gangsters. Capture territories, control the city, destroy rival gang squads, dynamic PvP and PvE battles. Okay. Whenever we can battle and earn money, then that's lit. Earn money, earn respect, money, and in-game currency. Let me tell you why that part is important. Some of these NFTs that we've covered, they try to frame it as if you can sort of earn, but you can only earn within the game, which, hey, if this community blows up, if this game becomes what it's supposed to be, then that's 100% fine. Kind of like with me on Grand Theft Auto. I have like 40 million on Grand Theft Auto, and within that game, trust me, it's worth it. But this is money and in-game, meaning you can play to earn real money and in-game money, which is huge, right? So each character possesses their own unique abilities and characteristics, power, accuracy, speed, health, and authority. Depending on their traits, your character will be stronger, faster, and more respected in your gang, all right? Strategic use of character characteristics, that's a tongue twister, will allow you to win a battle. You need at least 4 gangsters to participate in capturing territories or gang battles, 1 commander, and 3 on the battlefield. You can collect perks and abilities to level up your team, but don't forget, not everyone will survive and make it out of active battle. Oh, so you can die on here? Oh man, that's crazy. So let's look over some FAQs. Okay, the age of the gangs. Can anyone buy it. Yes, you need to be an active member of the community and apply to the whitelist, all right? And so I'm assuming if this is like most projects, we can find that info in the Discord, all right? So you can buy between 1 to 5, and yes, you of course will be able to sell. So now do our Twitter check. You know how we do. All right, so boom, we're on their Twitter account right now. They've got 6,400 followers, which, you know, that shows a pretty strong community or whatnot. And then let's go look at their Discord. So they got 44 people online. There's some decent activity in here. Let's go to general. Let's go to general discussion, see what the conversation looks like in there. Okay. All right, so the conversation looks good in here, man. I think there's a healthy amount of demand for this project, hype around this project. So we're definitely gonna keep our eyes on it, man. Let me know what y'all think about this project in the comments. Love y'all, man. Let's get it.